Hi friends, today we will discuss how we can create organization chart in Microsoft Word. Friends, sometimes we need organization chart or hierarchy of our organization, and we can make easily in Microsoft Word. I will tell you how we can create it. Let's move to the topic. Open Microsoft Word. After opening Microsoft Word, go to Insert menu, and after that go to Insert a Smart Art graph or Smart Art. Click on Smart Art like here. Friends, here we see a number of organization chart or different types of chart and process, cycle, hierarchy, relation, matrix, pyramid, and different types of pictures. First of all, we will choose the chart according to our requirement. Here are different types of hierarchy charts like organization chart, picture organization chart, name and title organization chart. Here are different types of organization chart like you can see also cyclic graph, cyclic chart, or process chart, or lists. A lot of options are available. You can choose as you want to do. Let's if you want to insert organization chart with picture, then you can click here. If you want to without picture, then you can click here. I will tell you how we can create organization chart with picture. Click here and then click OK. Friends, go to change colors. Here are different types of color. We can choose the different colors like this, and a lot of options are available. You can choose as you want to do. I will click on this. Okay, and you can give the names of our organization chart like CEO. Okay, and then PS to CEO, and then we can create manager operation, then manager technical, then manager administration. Friends, we can also change this organization chart according to our requirement, as like we can also add shapes. Here are different types of shape available like add shape after, add shape before, add shape above, add shape below, add assistant. And if we want to add shape below, then we click here like this. And same if we want to add more shape, then same like this one. And if we want to add same level of shape, then I will click. As you can see, we can freely add different types of shape as we want to do. And if we want to delete any shape, then we click and press del option. And we can also here as manager HR. Okay, friends, these are different options as we give names. We can also add as shape as we want to do according to their role. We can add from here, and we can give name from text pane. Okay, and after doing all these options, then we insert pictures. How we can insert picture? As you can see, click on picture, and here are different options like from a file, from a stock image, or online pictures, or from icon. If I want to click from file, click here. We will go like here we have different type of option. We are clicking, we are inserting CEO, okay, and then PS to CEO, like this one, okay, insert, and same we insert all these pics according to their role, like manager, and same manager technical. As you will see here, we insert different type of picture and our organization chart is completed. If you want to make any change, you can also do according to your organization hierarchy and requirement. Friends, this is all about the organization chart. If you are facing or if you have any question, you can write me in comments. I will answer you and help out if you have any difficulty to while creating this organization chart. Thanks. Bye.